You idiot! I am trying to sleep! Do that somewhere else!
Oh, that didn't work. How about you use something strong and intense and full mouth to break the rock? Annie finally broke the rock. Martin, you're gonna thank her, right?
Nah, never gonna happen. Thank goodness she didn't notice the waves in the rubble. Now if you'll excuse me, I got 50 books to buy.
But Martin, what about Granny?
No can do.